Stop what you're doing right now and ask yourself this. If you lost your job tomorrow, how long could you maintain your current lifestyle? Is it 1 month? 6 months? Forever? Because your answer reveals more about your financial health than you might think. And in this video, I'm going to reveal the 4 stages of financial freedom that separate the wealthy from everyone else. And you'll learn exactly where you stand right now and what you need to do to level up. So let's dive in. All right, so here they are, the 4 stages of financial success. And we all start on stage number 1, unless you are born rich. But stage number 1 is financial dependence. And this is where you're living paycheck to paycheck, where you have no savings or minimal savings. And I remember I was there right out of college, right? My first job. I mean, I was living paycheck to paycheck. That's where you have usually a lot of financial stress, and you might even need to use credit cards to get by. And of course, at this point, you shouldn't trade at all. Because if you're thinking about trading and investing, you know this, that you should only trade with money that you can afford to lose. And obviously on this stage, you don't have money that you can afford to lose. The other way around, right? So what are the keys to success to get to the next stage? You can make a budget and save some money, right? Or you can find a way to make some extra money, but for the love of God, don't trade. Now, here's the good news. I mean, for most people, you're not staying on this stage for a long time. I mean, eventually you move on to stage number 2. Happened to me, right? I mean, after a few years of working for IBM, I got this whole life thing figured out, and I made some more money. And this is where I moved on to stage number 2, financial security. Now, at this stage, you're no longer living paycheck to paycheck, and you might have some money in a savings or retirement account, but it's not growing fast enough. And you see, I remember when I was still at IBM, that I was stuck there on this stage. Yes, there was some money in a retirement account. It wasn't doing anything. I was even able to put some money into a high yield savings account. I got 3.5%, 4, maybe 4.5%, but it could barely keep up with inflation. So here's the challenge. You see, on this stage, most people play defense, and you need to play offense to get to the next level. You see, being on this level of financial security, it's kind of like treading water. You're not drowning, but you're not getting anywhere either. And you see, this is where many people are making a crucial mistake. They stop pushing forward, because now this is what all the financial advisors and bankers and everybody wants you to be on this stage, right? So that they can control your money. And I mean, this is when I was living in Germany, this is what was expected from me, right? And the idea here is, in order to get ahead, you work harder. And I bought into this lie. I worked harder. I worked 50, 60 hours and trying to get ahead, but I wasn't. And this is when I read the book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad from Robert Kiyosaki. And you see in this book, he has the 4 quadrants, right? And this is where he says, okay, we are in one of these 4 quadrants. We're either in the E quadrant, where we are an employee, right? There's where we have a job and we are trading time for money. And that's exactly where I was. Now, some people move on to the next quadrant, the S, being self-employed, right? But I mean, let's be honest, now you own a job, right? Because can you really take a 6-week vacation and your business runs without you? Typically not, right? Now, the idea is maybe you have a B, big business, where you have people working hard for you. But I know many people have tried this, I mean, and failed. So this is why I decided I want to move to the I quadrant, where I have money working hard for me. And you see, at the same time, I saw a quote from Warren Buffett that really hit me hard. And the quote said, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. And that's exactly what you need to find to break out of this stage. You need to find a way to make money while you sleep. And you see, I already knew that owning a business is not it. So I tried investing in real estate, and I have another video for you there that talks about my real estate nightmares. But this is where I decided, okay, let's find a way to make money with trading stocks and options, and actually build a trading plan, a solid trading plan that helped me to make $100,000 in profits. No, trust me, this is not easy to move to the next stage. It took me several years to figure it out, but eventually you move on to the next stage, which is stage number 3, financial independence. And on this stage now, you make more than $100,000 through trading or investing. And this means that you can probably replace most of your income, and you don't need to work to maintain the lifestyle at the same level that you are now. And you see, I thought this is it, right? I mean, this is what everybody's talking about, right? This trading for a living. And in fact, a few years ago, I wanted to prove it to everybody that I can do it. And I did it here on YouTube. I opened a $250,000 trading account, and I wanted to trade it for a living. But you see, this is when I realized that's not it. There's actually a fourth stage, and that is the stage that I really wanted to get in. So in order to get from stage number 3 to stage number 4, you need to learn how to trade your trading and your investing as a business. And you also need to learn how to generate a passive income system. Because the ultimate goal, at least for me, is to go to stage number 4, which is true financial freedom. And here's how I define it, right? I mean, in this stage, you're making $500,000 with trading and passive income. So through your investing, right? And this is where now you have a passive income system in place that will never run out of money. Now, when you're in this stage, you never have to check your bank balance again before you order something at a restaurant or you purchase something. And trust me, it's really, really good. And you can now quit your job anytime you want. You can do it tomorrow or quit your business, and you know that you wouldn't have to worry about a thing and that you and your family will be okay. And that is the stage that I'm in right now. So in fact, last year I made $547,971 in realized profits through trading and investing. And now that is the beautiful thing. Now in this stage, you can focus on what really matters in life, right? You can enjoy life with less stress, more time, more freedom, and you can make an impact. So the question is now, how do you get there, right? I mean, if you're right now in stage number 1, you already know, make a budget, right? Find a way to make some money to move to stage number 2. But let's say that you're in stage number 2. So how exactly can you move on from here to level 3 to level 4? Well, the most important thing is you need to understand, if you're in stage number 2, you can't save your way to financial freedom, and you can't work your way to financial freedom. I mean, you'll work until you die. So if you are in stage number 2, you gotta find a way to make extra money through trading or investing. So here are the 3 steps to get to the next level. First of all, ask yourself, which stage are you in right now? And if you want to leave a comment, let me know, right? I'm always curious. And then once you know what stage you're in, you already know what to do next, right? I mean, if you're in stage number 2, then you need to learn strategies for generating SRC profits. You need to find a way to have a proven plan that can help you to make $100,000 in trading profit. And if you're there, step number 3, I mean, just watch a video that I made for you where I show you exactly how to get from stage number 2 to stage number 3. So that's the next video coming up, and I'll see you there.